To set control of equipment, press the device button in the config. A device is real automation equipment that is installed in a user's object by an installer. For example, we'll control lite with the help of Modbus TCP. To do it, I have already added a module to control this equipment from iRidium store. Here is how to do it. Press plus and then you can select Use scanner and add all equipment automatically. For example, if you have HDL equipment, or you can download modules from iRidium store manually. Now I'll select the second variant. You can find the required equipment in the store either by categories or with the help of search function. For example, we want to find Domintel dimmer. All devices for Domintel are shown. We can see Domintel dimmer. If you press on a module, you'll see what it will look like to a user. You can read what functions are available and how to set it. If the module is what you look for, press the Add button. If it does not suit you, you can press back and select another module. When a module is downloaded, as we edit it manually, we are asked to enter the host. We are also asked to enter a serial number, but we don't have it here, let it be this way. If you added a wrong module to control equipment, go to Module Settings and press Delete Module button. The module settings also contain a gear icon, by pressing which you can change connection settings, if it is required. After a module is added, you see subdevices. A subdevice in i3 Lite is a concrete lamp or a relay which you will control and for which a separate control widget will be created. Let's enter a relay. Here you can see what it will look like to a user. You can even control it now. You can change the name that a user will see. You can change the icon, the image on the icon and the color. You can deactivate the relay if you do not want to control it in the project. You can select the location of the widget, which room it will be located in. If the number of a channel got changed, press the gear icon and change addresses. If you want to add another relay or another button, for example for Modbus, press the plus button and select what you want to add. A CSV file can be imported from Modbus to add many devices at once. If your equipment supports scanning, for example HDL, you'll see here the scan button. And instead of adding a device manually, you can scan the net one more time and find and add a new device.